Hello viewers, welcome to Mihran's Orbit. Remember my video Secrets about Switzerland? So today my video is on a walk in Paris. As the train pulled out of Zurich train station, I couldn't help but feel a twinge of sadness. My time in Switzerland had come to an end and now I was heading towards the bustling city of Paris. But as the train wound its way through the picturesque French countryside, I found myself becoming more and more excited. The scenery was breathtaking, and I couldn't help but feel a sense of wonder as I gazed out of the window. As we neared Paris, the anticipation grew, and I couldn't wait to explore the city. But I will always remember the train journey and the sense of awe and gratitude that it brought out in me. Paris is a city that holds a special place in my heart. The mere mention of its name fills me with a sense of nostalgia and longing. It is a city that has captured the hearts of millions of people around the world with its beauty, charm, and romantic allure. The first time I visited Paris, I was struck by its stunning architecture, the iconic Eiffel Tower, and the intricate cobblestone streets. The city's beauty left me breathless, and I knew I had found a place that I would always hold dear to my heart. As I explored the city, I found myself enchanted by the art, the culture, and the people. The Louvre Museum, with its vast collection of art, held me captive for hours. But what truly sets Paris apart from the other cities is its people. The Parisians are a unique breed of people with a charm and wit that is impossible to resist. They're proud of their city, and they should be. Paris is a place of history and culture, a place where the old meets the new, and a place where the dreams come true.
Klappat hakten alla Gullfest hela dagen. Lite mjöl från livets grottekvarn. Gullfest hela dagen.
However, Paris is not just a city of beauty and romance. It has seen its fair share of tragedy and heartbreak. The city has been scarred by wars and attacks, and these events have left deep emotional scars on the people of Paris. The people of Paris always came together in a show of solidarity, with vigils and memorials held throughout the city. The Eiffel Tower was lit up in the colors of the French flag, and the phrase "Je suis Paris" became a symbol of hope and resilience. Paris is a city that holds a special place in my heart, and it always will. It is a place of beauty and love, a place of tragedy and hope, and a place of resilience and determination. Paris is a city that will always be remembered and cherished, and it is a place I will always hold dear. Paris, the city of dreams, I must say, where science and culture find a way to play. The Science Museum, a gem in its crown, where knowledge and innovation are renowned. From the laws of physics to the mysteries of life, it's a place where our minds can soar free from strife. experience that should not be missed by anyone visiting the City of Lights. As the sun sets, the Eiffel Tower lights up, creating a stunning backdrop for a romantic stroll along the Seine River. Paris by night is truly a feast for the senses and an unforgettable way to experience the city's rich cultural heritage. And you know what else would be good? By night, make sure to subscribe. So make sure to hit the notification bell for more videos and take care. Bye. I'll see you next time.